Hello, and welcome to GT Railfan Productions. It is August 14th, 2018. The northbound, they would bring up ballast cars, and then on their way south, they would bring back a small ore train. And today's power set would be Canadian National 5346, Bessemer and Lake Erie 867, which was most likely picked up in Conneaut, Ohio, from the docks, and B&LE 905.
Here at RX now, over. Yes, sir, CM5346, I have 529.8 cancellations for you at Mount Post 112.93, 112.93, Mount Post 112.79, 112.79, and Mount Post 112.71, 112.71, and 1226, 1226 RPM. And cancellations of the 529As. That's 112.93. That's 112.93. 1270.79. 112.79 and 112.71. That's 112.71. Both are all three canceled at 1226. 1226 RBM. Over. That's correct, sir. You mean one there empty, then I will start cleaning up your track authority so I can get with them there. Understand? If you want, I can give you two of them now and give you a third one after we clear RX, or we can wait and do them all three at once, over. Yeah, just do them all three at once, it's fine. I understand. Give you a call here as soon as we clear RX, over. Alright, MRTC, that's 10. Thank you, sir. CM5346 up.